This video is for showcasing that unpivoting a matrix format table with multiple layers of headers is not difficult at all. It is rather common to need to work with input tables with multiple layers of column headers and row headers. And as highlighted in the earlier video, for ease of data processing, you may want to create a bridging table in tabular format with only one single layer of column header. We can easily convert the previous matrix format input table to such tabular format using Power Query. Do not be intimidated by the presence of multiple layers of column headers and row headers. You can easily resolve this issue by collapsing the multiple layers into one header by combining the layers. Such matrix format is essentially still a two-dimensional matrix regardless of the number of layers of headers present. Let us jump straight into a quick demonstration. The example file we are using has two layers of columns headers for different tasks as well as their target start date and target end date. There are three layers of row headers related to the block, the level, and the unit each of these tasks are for. To activate Power Query, click on any cell inside this matrix format table, click Data tab, select from Table, Range, and click OK. A Power Query editor will be opened with the sample data shown. Under the Applied Step tab, we delete the Change Type step since this was auto-generated. Next we select the first three rows to combine the three layers of row headers. We first click on the Transform tab, and select Fill, and select Down. This will fill all the blank spaces within these three columns. Click on the Merge Columns button, select a separator, and click OK. You can see that the three layers of row headers have easily been combined into one layer of header. To do the same for the column headers, we can click Transpose to change the column headers into row headers. Thereafter you can just perform the same steps to fill down the empty header cells before merging the columns of headers. To commence the unpivoting process, we will need to select Use First Row as headers. We want to keep only the first column as headers now and unpivot all the rest of the columns. Select the first column, go the Transform tab, click on Unpivot Columns tab and select Unpivot Other Columns. You can see that all the block, level, unit combined header and the corresponding dates have been unpivoted. We can now rearrange the header columns to our desired order and start to split the layers of headers into different columns. Select Split Column, select by delimiter, select the delimiter used previously, and click OK. To achieve the bridging table format that we want, we need the target start date and target end date to be in different columns. We can use the pivot column tool for this. Select the column that you want the values to become the new column's headers, click on Pivot Column, select Value as the value columns, select Advanced Options, select Maximum as the function to use. Two new columns of data pertaining to the target start date and target end date for each task are therefore created. Rename the column headers for each column of data. Remove all the auto change type steps. Click on the Home tab, and select Close and Load. Reformat the columns with dates as short date, and that's it. We have generated 9,792 rows of tabular format table for data processing. We hope you agree that based on this demonstration, it is still rather straightforward to carry out Power Query to unpivot matrix table with multiple layers of headers. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification button.